Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, Shiromani Akali Dal, they are protesting here in Ludhiana. They are staging a massive protest over here in Ludhiana against the land pooling scheme of the Punjab government. So earlier also in May month, Sukhbir Singh Badal led Shiromani Akali Dal, they staged a protest opposing this land pooling scheme, and now today again Shiromani Akali Dal has gathered over here in Ludhiana outside DC office, and they are staging protest against the land pooling scheme. So very soon, Sukhbir Singh Badal, president of Shiromani Akali Dal, he will reach over here to lead this protest. And although it is city is witnessing heavy rain and rain has plain spoiled spot, but still some workers, leaders, they have gathered over here and they are protesting here outside DC office in Ludhiana against the land pooling scheme. So recently Congress also staged the protest against this scheme, but on the other side, Punjab government is regularly highlighting the benefits of this land pooling scheme. They are claiming that this land pooling scheme is a historical decision of Punjab government and it will definitely benefit the Punjab farmers. But other opposition parties, they are opposing this scheme, and today Akali Dal is staging protest over here, and we will try to talk to some leaders of the Shiromani Akali Dal. We are having with us advocate Paropkar Singh Kuman. Kumanji, today Shiromani Akali Dal is protesting against land pooling scheme. What are the reasons? Can you highlight some reasons that why Akali Dal is opposing this scheme?
We are not supporting the scheme. Rather, we are opposing the scheme. The major reason of opposing of the scheme is that this scheme is against people of Punjab. First of all, what is happening is, do we need so much of residence over there, so much of plotting over there? The answer is no. Right now, the entire Ludhiana, it is built over about 70,000 acres plus industry. That comes to about 24,000 acres. So another 24,311 acres of land. What does it mean? You are killing the agriculture, you are killing the dairy, you are killing the fisheries, the water bodies, and the natural sources. Everything can be brought to an end. The thing is, our ecological system, our biodiversity, it is going to come to an end. The thing is, 24,311 acres of land. In case that is acquired, the greenery over there, the vegetation over there, that is going to vanish. That is going to vanish. That is going to vanish. So, once it vanishes, the entire system is going to collapse. Our legal system, our ecological system, the oxygen, where will it go? We are getting oxygen from the land, from the green belt over here. In case even that goes, where do we go? You see, the dairy products are going to rise, the price of dairy products going to rise multifold. Similarly, our wheat, our rice, every price, vegetables, the price of each and everything, the necessities, they are going to rise. So in case that rises, so who's going to get benefit? Nobody. Nobody is going to get benefit.
Kuman sir, Ludhiana is already growing vertically and still there are many housing flats, but still they are lying vacant. And on that side, expanding Ludhiana horizontally, will it solve the purpose?
It is very bad. The scheme is very bad. You see, you need to go vertically, not horizontally right now. We have already put ample of pressure on the land. So that when the green belt goes, everything goes. We should understand this fact. And secondly, this particular land which is being acquired, it's a big scam. I tell you, it's a big scam. I have been told by one of the workers of Aam Aadmi Party that they are going to acquire loans, secure loan of rupees 2,25,000 crores. This somebody told me. I don't know how far it is correct, but this has been told to me by one of the what do you call it as a senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. And above all, you see, this particular scam is going to be worth lakhs and lakhs of crore. Ultimately, the economy of Punjab is going to collapse. The economy of Punjab is going to collapse. They are not bothered about the economy. They are not bothered about what is going to happen in Punjab after 1.5 years. But Shiromani Akali Dal, being the party of Punjab, being the representative of people of Punjab, is bothered about it. We are bothered that our next generation, our children, they should live over here. Like it said in Gurbani, Pavan Guru, Pani, Pita, Mata, Tarat, Mahat. So now land is a mother. It's a motherland. Now, what happened is, they have stuck directly on our motherland. And we are going to oppose it.
everyone is regularly highlighting the benefits of this scheme. They are saying that this scheme is historical for Punjab, and Akali Dal is opposing it.
Do you think he has given you one single reason? It's just his statement. Kindly, I was going through one of the video today morning. The video highlighted how rupees 2 lakh has been paid to person who are highlighting that's a benefit to Punjab. It's a latest video, and the video has been put up by the Aam Aadmi Party person only. I fail to understand. He's saying that Punjab is going to benefit. How is he going to benefit? He is silent. Why is he silent? You know what? He's a comedian. He's a comedian. He can just do comedy. And I tell you one thing. Another one month or so, I've been told by somebody he won't be here. He'll be set aside by the Kejriwal.
Now, how Akali Dal will move further after this protest? What are your further proceedings?
We are going to take protest to entire Punjab first of all. Then secondly, definitely we are going through legal repercussions also. We'll see what legally we can do. And very soon, we have been seeking all the comments of the people, and we are getting a lot of help from the people, of the farmers, who are ready to file the PILs, and we will file the PIL in this case, in case need be. We are ready for that. Reason being, that this land is not required for public purpose. First of all, it is against the public interest. Secondly, we don't need so much of residences to build over here on this particular land. So once the NGT has to take an action against this, because the National Green Tribunals would like to see how flora and fauna of this Punjab is going to come to an end. So we'll take up the action over there also. So these schemes, these are gimmicks basically. These are gimmicks. What that is.
Cheema ji, today Akali Dal is staging a massive protest here in Ludhiana against land pooling scheme. What are the reasons behind this protest?
Today's protest is against the land pooling policy which has been brought out by the state government. This policy is aimed at large-scale corruption. They want to take possession of land from the farmers, and they want to hand it over to the big realtors of Delhi. This scheme was conceptualized in Delhi by Arvind Kejriwal and his team. And in the last year, they know that Aam Aadmi Party is finished in Punjab. They will not come to power again. But they want to loot with both the hands. On one side, the Chief Minister is saying that this is a very good policy, very safe policy for the farmers. But on the other side, he is refusing to sign and take responsibility. If the policy is so good, why the Chief Minister is saying that I am not the head of that board and Chief Secretary will head that board? It's totally unconstitutional. Without amending the act, without passing amendment in the assembly, they have changed the members of the board. How is it possible? That means the Chief Minister wants to take advantage of the scheme but does not want to shoulder the responsibility. And secondly, I ask him one simple question. Previously you planned 40,000 acres. Now in today's papers, this land has been increased to 65,500 acres. From where the money will come? You have already acquired 2,500 acres in Mahali in 2021. And you can see there is no development in 5 years. Now you are again acquiring more than 3,500 acres. From where the money will come? For what purpose? Is there any demand of housing at such a large scale that you are doing land acquisition for such a large amount of land? It's an agriculture state. You are spoiling the main profession of the people of the state just to loot money.
Already Ludhiana is growing vertically. There are many residential houses which are being established over here. Now expanding horizontally, already the agriculture land is being taken away. Then will this scheme will be successful for Punjab?
I studied in Ludhiana during college days, and in 81 I was in the Punjab Agriculture University. It was the last point at that time. Now after 45 years, how much it has expanded? Hardly 2-3 kilometers. In 45 years, I have seen Ludhiana growing with my eyes, and it has expanded only up to 3-4 kilometers. And now you are again acquiring 40,000 additional land. For what purpose? Who will buy this land? You will simply divest farmers of their land, and then you will blackmail them. This is the policy.